Globally, e-commerce sales exceeded a whopping $2 trillion in 2017, and this number is expected to more than double by 2021. While the numbers sound really encouraging, it is a little-known fact that the average online conversions are very low. Did you know that the conversion rate for desktop users is less than 4%, and lower still for tablet and smartphone users, 3% and 1% respectively? These are a far cry from offline retail conversion rates, estimated to be 20 to 40%. The question is, why do so few online shoppers convert to purchasers? Consumer behavior research suggests that intention to purchase is a function of trust. Trust, which can be built in offline retail outlets through the physical space and by interacting with people. But how about in an e-commerce setting? How exactly does consumer trust emerge online? A leading technical publication attempted to provide an answer to this question through extensive research. They determined that deliberative cognitive processes has a huge role to play, i.e., consumers rely on logical factors such as pre-existing disposition to trust, a website's structural assurances, strong encryption and security, privacy policies, and return guarantees, etc. While the notion of deliberative models is appealing, it does not explain why many visitors ignore factors such as privacy and security policies while being influenced by seemingly insignificant factors such as font styles and colors. Is it possible that online consumers also rely on less deliberative, fuzzy instinctual processes, such as those commonly used in interpersonal trust situations? Could it be that online shoppers actually commit very little explicit cognitive effort when deciding whether to trust a website? We at IrisLogic conducted a longitudinal logistic regression analysis study to fully understand the trust differences between consumers, which resulted in two major findings. A. Consumers rely on rule-based, logical, or rational approaches in hypothetical, zero-risk decisions. B. However, in real-life scenarios, which are riskier, consumers tend to rely more on intuition than deliberation to make decisions. This explains why aesthetics, professionalism, and other implicit cues seem to be directly proportional to building trust online. In brief, simple aesthetic changes such as page layouts and choices of fonts, images, and colors could have a great impact in building the trust of your customers. And, in turn, that will influence whether they decide to make a purchase. At IrisLogic, we continuously work with our technology partners to develop strategies and develop platforms catered towards e-commerce and adoption. We work with our customers to deliver higher click-throughs that translate to real business through mobile and web platforms. We provide e-commerce analytics that helps our customers understand business cycles. Whether it's integrating secure payment engines or using cryptocurrency enablement, we help businesses identify critical aspects and plan for the future. Real-time alerts and feedbacks of inventory, supply chain, merchandise, checkout, and security is not only essential, but gives confidence to the customer to shop at your virtual location. Contact us to explore how IrisLogic can help you grow your intuitive click-through.